everybody, my name is Niku and you are on the Trading Setup channel. Here we explore trading strategies, indicators and share practical approaches to trading. Today I'm going to show you guys a very interesting strategy that you can use in any market. And I'll explain it in the simplest way possible so that everybody can follow, even if you are a beginner. If you're interested in trading, give this video a like and a subscription. Or even better, join my free trading community on Telegram. There I share even more educational material. QR code is on the screen and link in the description, so click it and make sure you join today. Now let's head over to the platform and see what we have today. Let's get our platform set up so we can dive into today's strategy. Today we're going to be adding the RSI to our charts, and this is the only indicator we'll be adding. I'm going to change some of the visual styles, but I'm not going to be changing the period value. So we're going to use the RSI at its default value for this strategy, but I'm just changing some of the styles, which makes it a little more easier for me to see all the levels that I'm going to be using. You don't need to change the colors. It doesn't really matter. It has no impact on the strategy itself, but I like the RSI to be set up in this way. The reason I do this is the RSI is a momentum indicator at its core. So while the RSI is running above the 50 line, I know that price currently has bullish momentum, and while it's running below the 50 line, I know that price has got bearish momentum. And we know that momentum is what keeps something going. So the more momentum something has, the harder it is for it to stop. So we're going to be looking at what type of momentum the current price action has. Then we're going to be using support and resistance levels to determine entries for us. So that's the first thing we're going to be looking at, is support and resistance levels. And after that, we're going to check the RSI to see, do we have momentum either upwards or downwards, and is the support or resistance holding or breaking. So that's it. We're going to use a 30-second candle period time, and we're going to do our expiries on 1 minute. So that's it for the setup. Now we can flip through some assets and see if we can pick up some trades. Now that our platform's all set up, we're ready to take on the strategy. And so we're going to scroll through a few assets and see if we can pick up some trades. Pick up some support and resistance levels, and then we're going to look at the RSI to see what it's telling us, whether or not we can actually go. I'm going to take a buy here. It's a little bit late, but I do still think it's worth the risk. The reason I took this was we had price on this level here. We can clearly see that this was a tested level. So this was a tested level. Price attempted to move through it, got rejected, eventually did break through it, came back for a beautiful retest, pushed up more, big candle for a retest again. But when this candle hit, my RSI rocketed down to the 50 line and immediately went back upwards, telling me that price maintained its bullish momentum, and that's the reason I got into this trade here. It was a little bit late to get in, but this is a solid move, and especially once this disappears. Let's do it that way. So because we had this massive red candle here and immediately pushed more than halfway back, this motivated me to take this buy position, because it was smack dab off the support, and I had this beautiful rejection of the 50 line on the RSI, maintaining bullish momentum, telling me that we should be going upwards. That was a beautiful entry, and let's see if we can pick up one or two more. We shouldn't be waiting too long to find entries. This is a 30-second chart, but sometimes there will be periods when you struggle to find entries. It doesn't matter what strategy you use. Every single strategy has its ups and downs. You have slow times and you have fast times. And when you do have slow times, we might actually take a buy here. When you have slow times, all you need to do is be patient and don't rush. Placed it and deleted it, so let's just place it again. We have this area here. Sorry, I'm looking at this. We have this level here that was actually coming quite some time. We can see that this level has been solid for quite some time. And how much time do I have left on this? 24 seconds. This level has been solid for quite some time. Price broke through, came back for a small retest, went all the way down, and when it hit this level again, it started struggling, pushed through, small retest, and when it came down now and pushed back up, my RSI rejected off the 50 line and maintained the bullish momentum. Let's see if we're going to make this one in time. Yes, we did. Fantastic. Maintain bullish momentum, so I'm just going with the direction that price is going. We are testing again. This is getting dodgy now because we made a new a lower high, so I'm not too fond of doing these back to back. I will much rather look for a different asset and see if we can find another asset that's got a better looking entry. There's no reason, if you don't feel comfortable with the trade, if you're unsure whether your strategy is giving you a signal or not, don't hesitate to simply let the trade go and wait for the next entry. I do this quite a few times during the day. It's normal, it is part of trading, and it's the smart move. Once you start forcing trades and taking unnecessary risks that's not quite in line with your strategy, that's when things start going wrong for you. So stay with your strategy. Don't worry about letting trades go. If you can't clearly see whether your strategy is giving you an entry, just skip it. Just let it go and wait for the next entry. This might give us a decent entry. Let's just see we're going to keep an eye on the RSI to see what it does here. While it's doing that, I can do this. And it looks like the support level is breaking. Oh, come on, I want to move you up. It looks like the support level might be breaking here, and my RSI breaking through the 50 line. This looks like it's going to happen. I'm not taking trades based off what it looks might happen. I'm going to wait and see what actually happens. Okay, so it's really, really important for us to just wait and see what actually happens. A lot of people will start taking entries here, and that's the wrong move. It does look like it's going to give us a buy entry. My RSI did reject off the 50 line. I am pushing upwards. We can see that this candle is moving up. I would like to see it move up a little bit more before the close of this candle. It pushed back a bit too much for me. So I'm going to wait. We're going to give it a few seconds, see what this candle does. Does look like it's going to be a buy for us. Our RSI did reject, and it is going up beautifully at the moment, telling me that bullish momentum has been maintained, and at the same time price did reject off the support level. So it does look like we're going to be going into a buy. There we go. Price is moving up. My RSI is heading upwards, and I can get into the buy and just go along with what price is doing. So I'm just following the price movement. I'm not trying to predict whether the price will go up or will go down. I'm simply following the movement, and that's the reason why we wait on this areas here. I know from experience, watching or talking to people while they're trading, that a lot of people, when this candle was at the bottom here, would have started taking sell trades, and as you can see, that would have been a bad idea. It would not have been great trades, and that's the reason we just wait a few more candles, just a candle or two, see what is happening, and simply follow it. It's the easiest thing to do, and once you start to understand this concept, your trading will change for the better. I can promise you that. Great entry, and that's how we use the support and resistance along with the RSI. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And don't forget, I have a private community on Telegram as well, where I share extra material and do live trading sessions every day. If you want to join, just send me a direct message using the link in the description or the QR code on the screen. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, may the pips be with you.